All right, let's discuss the angle of depression. From the top of a 155-foot lighthouse, the angle of depression to a ship in the ocean is 21 degrees. How far is the ship from the base of the lighthouse? All right, first off, we need a diagram. So the diagram would look like this. So we have the lighthouse, this is 155 feet. If you're standing at the top of the lighthouse looking out in the horizontal, you'd have to look down 21 degrees to see this ship. This would be 21 degrees here. That's the angle of depression. The angle of depression is from the horizontal angled down. Now, we need information about the triangle. We don't have any angles in the triangle. We do know one angle, actually, the right angle. But we don't know this angle, or we don't know this angle. We need one of these angles in order to use our sine, cosine, tangent information. So here's where knowing a couple facts are important. First fact, this is a 90-degree angle. And so these two angles have to add up to 90 degrees. So that would be 21 degrees plus what is 90 degrees. And we get 69. And I write a 7. Isn't that nice? 69 degrees. So that's one piece of information we could use. The other piece of information is the fact that we have parallel lines, a bisector. This angle matches this angle. They're the same measurement. So we actually have this angle directly without any subtraction or whatever like we did the other one. That's just 21 degrees. And what we want to know, we want to find the distance from the ship to the base of the house. So we want to find this value, x. You can call it whatever you want, x, h, not h, a or b. Now, depending on which angle you work with, you have a different setup for the triangle. So for example, if we were to work with this one, where this is 69 degrees, 155 x, then its opposite and adjacent tangent 69 degrees would be x over 155. Multiplying by 155, we get x equals 155, tangent 69 degrees, and we can approximate that with our calculator in degree mode. 403.79. So we want to round to two decimal places, 403.79. And the units here are feet. However, we could also work with the triangle labeled this way. In which case tangent of 21 degrees would be 155 over x. Multiplying by x to clear fractions, and then dividing by tangent to solve for x, we get a different expression. Instead of 155 times tangent 69 degrees, we get 155 divided by tangent 21 degrees. However, when we go and do the details, we recognize we get the exact same answer. So you can set the triangle up using the fact that these two angles add up to 90 degrees, and so 90 minus 21 is 69, or that these parallel lines, the intersection, these angles are equal. That would work as well, and that's 21 degrees. The one that seems like it has a little bit easier steps, one fewer, is doing the 21, 90 minus 21, 69. And then you can solve for x with one step instead of two. But either way, you want to be able to set up the triangle and use the SOHCAHTOA to solve for what you're after. Okay, your turn. Go ahead and pause the video as you work on the problem on the right. You should get 44.5 meters. All right, I hope this helps.